This 2013, I will be almost fluent in Filipino.
This 2013, I will shine. I will shine.
This 2013, I will be a better man. Kasi pag kid, pag sinabi mo kid, bata, syempre, mas magiging responsible ako sa mga bagay, sa work ko. Ayun.
This 2013, I will definitely stay kind, humble, and caring to others. And I will do everything to help the ones that need help.
This 2013, I will do my best and work hard every day to make myself better and to keep up with the good actors, and hopefully sana makasama ko sa shortlist ng mga nagtagal sa showbiz, and sana yun, mag-prolong yung career ko.
This 2013, I will do changes for the better, and I will try to more ma-express ko sa family ko, and lalo na sa parents ko na I love them so much.
This 2013, I will get thinner and sana I'll do better when it comes to acting. This 2013, I will do my best, lalo na sa school and dito sa Tijan.
This 2013, I will be here for you. This 2013, I will become a nice boy.
This 2013, I will be better.
Siguro mas tumutok pa sa pagsasayaw ko, sa craft ko. Siguro mas ma-enhance pa if ever pwede gusto pumunta sa States para mag-aral pa ng sayaw. Yun.
Push myself harder and try to decide for myself. Mas magpo-focus ako sa work at saka ngayong taon siguro gusto ko mag-aral ng mga pwede ko pang gawin. Kumanta, or gusto ko yung i-try na mag-theater, mag-stage play.
This 2013, I will continue to work hard and I will continue to give back to people, especially to my fans, my family, and possibly do more charity work in 2013.
This 2013, I will take more risks. Yeah. Time to let go of the safe Andrea and parang mas lawakan pa.
This 2013, I will be, for me, mas serious actor. Tapos, more projects, syempre, para magawa ko yung mga gusto kong character. Especially, syempre, gusto ko rin maging bida, lahat naman puro kontrabida. So, hopefully, this 2013, bida ako at mapakita ko sa kanila lahat yung kaya kong gawin. Yung no limitation, lahat kaya kong walang drama, action, comedy. Go for the gold.
I will work harder. I will catch up with my schooling. This 2013, I will make sure that I'll be better at be better with my job and as a person, of course. I don't think of anything naman that's anything in particular. I just make sure that every year gets better.
This 2013, I will have more projects, right? Kasi no projects, no work, no money, no money, no honey, dude. Come on. But yeah, no, diba? I mean, I'm gonna work this 2013.